back to my one of my walking trails. Nature walking trails with the lake. There's a little bit of people in here, but not much at the moment. Put my water shoes on. Let's go take a little walk. So peaceful and beautiful. It's been a bit since I've been able to come down here. One time some geese even came into the water. Came in and joined me. So nice. Oh, look at the sunshine. Look at the sunshine, Mama. In the tree. Look how big this place is. It's pretty big. Oh, I just love it here. The beauty of nature. All right, my loves. Wanted to share this with you.